Sunday entire day, CBI has conducted raids in minimum 15 places, which includes Sandeep Ghosh residence and which includes RG Kar Hospital. This is the storeroom where the store building where all the records and everything is being kept, and also a lot of information, lot of files are there, lot of stuff is stored here. So from the store building to the principal office to the MSVP office, and also Dr. Debashish Shom, who is the forensic demonstrator, he is also a very important part in the Sandeep Ghosh coterie. That's what Arshad Akhtar Ali has always been saying. And there also the raid has taken place. Debashish Shom's home has been raided and he has been asked to come to the CBI headquarters. He was questioned last night. Also Sanjay Vashish, the former super, and these are the area, like if you see the CBI FIR, then it's Sandeep Ghosh, and there are three other organization who used to supply various things to this hospital, and that is where the financial irregularities mystery stays. Like this company Ma Tara Traders, whose owner has also been raided yesterday. According to Akhtar Ali's complaint, this Ma Tara Traders used to supply everything in RG Kar. How could they only get only this tender? And there was a 20% bribe which used to be given to Sandeep Ghosh. So entire all these places have been raided, and what we are getting, that huge amount of documents and information has been, CBI has got huge amount of information and documents, and further investigation will take place on the basis of this. As far as the financial irregularities is concerned, there are a lot of evidence which they have got. That's what we are getting from the sources. And these three companies which opened up canteen, which opened up which supplied everything in this hospital, is where now the main investigation will be going on as far as the financial irregularities is concerned.